Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on MIR protocol. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this breakdown from this down channel, and on the smaller time frame, MIR protocol is very close to break this symmetrical triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup of MIR protocol. That was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that I shared almost 5 days ago with my members, and before that I shared also another harmonic garlic pattern with my members on 25th of November. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a nice reversal move and again moved down, and again we had another powerful reversal to the upside. Before that I shared this bad move that was getting completed on the 2-hour time frame chart, and I shared this idea on 19th of November. And you can see when I shared this idea at that time, it was completing the final leg, and I told my members that we can wait for the price line to complete this leg and we can buy it here, and we can set our sell targets here as well. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed this final leg, and then again started a very nice pump from this potential reversal zone. And before that I shared the same move, the same kind of move. That was another harmonic bad move that I shared in September, and you can see it was completing the final leg. And again I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down, and then we can sell it between this range. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line dropped more down and completed the final leg of the bat. And after the completion of this leg, the price line started a very powerful reversal move, and after hitting the sell target zone, again moved down. Now let's move to the most recent idea that I shared almost 5 days ago, and that was this garlic move that I shared on 27th of November. And you can see that when I shared this idea, it just completed the final leg and slightly moved up than this potential reversal zone. But what happened this time, if I play the chart, you can see that the price line dropped slightly more down than this potential reversal zone, but recovered very soon, and again we had a nice pump. And after hitting the sell target zone, the price line is still moving in this potential reversal zone of this garlic pattern that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of the garlic pattern for my members. Now let's move to the live weekly time frame chart, and here we have been watching this breakdown from this down channel. You can see it was moving inside this down channel and still struggling. After the breakdown, the price line is still struggling to re-enter the same channel, but rejected by this previous downtrend line that is in fact the support of the previous channel, now working as a resistance for the price line. We got rejected again, and here you can see we also had the formation of a descending triangle, but the price line unfortunately also broke down the support of this descending triangle as well. But you can see we have a few more touch points here, and after these touch points at the resistance as well, we have a formation of this falling wedge pattern now on this weekly time frame chart. And you can see now the price line is again bounced from this support of this newly formed falling wedge pattern, and very close to break the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. We also have our key support here at 11.5 cents. On the smaller time frame chart, you can see that the price line is quite squeezed inside this symmetrical triangle, so at any time it can break down the support or resistance of this triangle. I'm expecting that it can break out, because on the weekly time frame chart we also have a hidden bullish divergence, not the hidden, a complete a normal bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. Like the price line formed this low here, the next low is lower than previous low, and stochastic is showing the next low is higher, formed higher than the previous low. And even if we want RSI, then it is forming higher low than previous low. So there is a double bullish divergence on the weekly time frame chart. There is therefore there is a high probability that it may break out the resistance of this triangle. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakout, then after the breakout, the next expected move can be here. That will be approximately at 18.99 or 19 cents, and in that situation you can see that easily we can break out this bigger resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern as well, and the final target for this bigger falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $2.18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.